Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Today I'm showing you exactly how to redeem those new Dragon City codes for 2026 so you can get free gems, dragons, and other exclusive rewards. Step 1. First, you need to open the Dragon City app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have the game yet, download it from your app store and create a profile. This is essential because codes are tied to your specific account. Step 2. Once you're in the game, look for the settings icon, usually found in the top right or bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the menu. Step 3. Inside settings, scroll down until you find the redeem code option or gift code section. It might also say promo code or code redemption, so keep an eye out for those terms. Step 4. Tap on the redeem code button and you'll see a text box appear. This is where you'll paste or type in the actual code you want to use. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code. Step 5. After entering the code, hit the confirm or redeem button and wait a few seconds for the system to process it. You'll get a confirmation message showing what rewards you've unlocked. Those new codes for 2026 are dropping regularly, so check community pages often for the latest ones.